We got the nipple cleaned a little bit, new cap.
Ready?
Yep. Still not working.
Going through that moon gate.
Okay, we're fixing to try out these black powder rifles. They haven't been shot in probably 10 years, I'm sure. So quite a while, and this will be the first time in a while. So we're gonna give it a shot. Got all the stuff here, plenty of balls and everything. We used to make the balls ourselves, so I don't think we've had to get any balls for quite a few years. My dad probably sat and made 500 one time.
I don't know how this is gonna go.
Hold it there. Okay, so the problem, I'm not sure if you can see that at all, but right in there, hasn't been shot in so many years, and it probably was not cleaned the last time. So that is really dirty, and the spark wasn't able to get through from the cap. So that's why you have your kit out here, so you can take it apart. Just use your little nipple wrench or whatever it is and clean it off, and then we'll try it again. We got the nipple cleaned a little bit, new cap.
Ready?
Yep. Still not working. Just hold it for a few seconds, make sure. And don't always just assume it's not gonna go off, because the sparks could be fizzling. Get that tightened, put that back on there. We were able to see through it now, and I got a little bit of powder to come out of the hole. So just gonna tighten it back up and give it a third time's a charm, hopefully. Make sure you put everything back, tighten it down, get you a new cap. I'll try it. And hopefully it'll go this time. There we go.
There.
A little bit of a delay still, but at least it's got cleaned out and it'll work now. Should fire every time now that it's cleaned. Of course, you can avoid that if you clean your guns when you're done, but like I said, these have been sitting around for probably a good 10 years and haven't been touched, so I didn't know they were dirty. Okay, so he's just gonna refill the powder. At one point in time, I found these split tubes at work, and I'm just using a few of those. Marked them with, I think it was 50 grains if I remember, so that makes it a lot quicker to fill up. And we just fill it up to the line. You can use one of the measures, you know, but right here, they can buy these wherever, use these things. But I just found it was easier to just mark me a line and fill it up each time. And it's powder, wad, ball. So you pour your powder down, get you all wad, put it on top, and you know, as always, make sure it's not facing right at your face. And then you use the little press and push it down to get it started. I'm sure there's official names for there. If everybody knows all the names on this stuff, please leave it in the comments below so I can learn them. I just always said the ball thingy. And then use the rod and ram it down. Get you a cap. Put your cap on there. And then when you're ready, pull it back and cock. There we go. Fixed. Alright, we're going to play around for a little while. Shoot these for about an hour. And then we might go get the pistol in a little bit.
That scope is so much better on that thing. ago, so I'm kind of scared almost to see. I don't remember how much he's kicked.
Yeah. I guess we're pretty close. I thought that thing was way off, but that's not too bad. And that is a bottom of a mayonnaise jar. That's traced on there. Even though it was cold and there was ice on the pond, it was still a nice, beautiful day to get outside, shoot some cardboard, put some holes in it, get the guns out, and have some fun. As always, we encourage you to get outside and do something. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next video.